It's also upstairs.
Thank you.
Awesome, Jay.
Why did
Yeah, the Wi-Fi we don't have on board. It's working on the day. Maybe you should check it right now. Oh, it's fine.
We are on board now and we have been offered a drink. I chose a Lufthansa cocktail. What about you?
this is just a regular German wine?
And we also found here this cute little bag where it's written, "Your welcome moment." Let's see what's inside. Maybe chocolate. Maybe something salted. Let's see. Got an almond.
Like German and so far.
Welcome on board. I would like to show you how the seat looks like. So first of all, the seat came with a pillow and it came with a blanket. Then in the seat there is also a reading light. This is how the seat looks like. And then, of course, you can choose how to adjust your seat. There are different options. So, of course, back position, and then, all the others that you see here, you can adjust the bottom, the top of your seat. And you can also adjust the firmness of your cushion. Then, right here, under here, there will be the table, which you have to push. And then it's going to open like this. We put this away. Here on the side, we have the remote control, and the screen is also touch. As we put this back, under here, we also have a pocket right here where we have our headphones. Noise cancelling headphones also. So here at the bottom, they also have two charging stations right here. I'm already using one. As we move on a side here, we have a footrest with some storage below, personal slippers. Here we just have the safety guards and a little pocket. And down here, we have some more storage. We have been given the Amenity kit, as well as a bottle of water. So it's a bag that looks like this, one handle. Inside you have bamboo toothbrush with toothpaste. Then we have a pair of socks, eye mask, a little mint, earplugs, hand cream, this one, and this is a lip balm. we've been given some hot wet towel. 20 minutes into the flight, they came to offer us a little appetizer, let's say. So there is some cheese and some olives in. And then we could choose among different beverages. So we got some rosé wine here and some sparkling water. So, as an appetizer, I ordered a vegetarian appetizer, which consists of Indian cucumber salad with pomegranate and corn cookies. This is some bread. And then here they have given some wild herb salad with radish and pomegranate.
I ordered the shrimps confit on pineapple jelly and citrus fruit, which is right here, with olive oil caviar. And then I also got some bread and some salad, butter and olive oil to go with it.
We are going to start with the salad. It is really tasty. Really good. Let's try it was the corn cookie, I think. See? It also tastes pretty good. On the bread, I'm sure it is excellent. This is pretty good too.
Maybe I can get a little bit of and then a little bit of this on top. Some of this. Taste this. It's very good. This is very good.
I just got my main course and I ordered the vegetarian dish, which is a vegetable curry with coconut milk, basmati rice flavored with lime juice, curry leaves and mustard seeds, yellow lentils with garlic, chili and cumin. Here they also gave me some raita and some pickle, achar. Okay, let's try. It looks really good. I am going to try the vegetable curry first. Oh, it's fantastic. It is so good. Let's try the lentils now. Good. A little chili, but good. And the rice is delicious as well.
So here is my fish, my shrimps or prawns, and some of this sauce with potatoes and some carrots. So let's give it a taste test. Let's try with the fish and some of the sauce on it. It's very good. Now the shrimp. Yes. Shrimp is good as well.
Okay. finish our meal today, we ordered as a dessert this vanilla mousse tartlet with orange ragu and raspberry, which of course I'm going to try straight away. Okay. This also is super tasty. I like it.
And to finish the service, to wrap up the service, they also gave us a little box of chocolates, which is a pack of 2 chocolates, one light and one dark.
We will be landing in Delhi shortly and we have been served dinner. My vegetarian choice consists of palak paneer and chana masala, so the Indian cottage cheese with cauliflower, and then there is a basmati rice with cumin and the chickpea ragu. I've chosen to have a pretzel with it, and in here we have an Indian saffron pudding. Let's give it a try. If it is like lunch, it's going to be delicious. Let's see. Let's try with the cheese. Paneer, Indian cheese. It's actually really good. Very flavorful rice. Chickpeas. Spicy but very good.
And here we have the red Thai chicken curry along with some basmati rice. I also got some bread to go with it. So let's give it a quick taste test. Thai chicken curry and some rice. It's very good. The Thai chicken curry has some coconut milk in it, and it has a very good taste.